For a scripted sequence, you need 4 things: a trigger, a scripted sequence, a scripted sentence, and a monster. I'm going to be using a CT SWAT assault rifle as the monster. First, you want to create a trigger, and this will be where the player walks into to trigger the sequence. You want to select it and press Ctrl T. You want to make it a trigger underscore once. In its name, you can call it CT underscore run underscore trigger, or whatever you want really. The target is going to be CT underscore run, just as an example. We're going to make a scripted sequence which has this name now. So create an entity, double click on it, and type in scripted sequence. Its name will be CT underscore run. Its target will be CT underscore talk. We'll make this next. The target monster will just be CT. You'll find out why soon. And move to position. You can choose whether you want them to walk, run, instantaneous, or no, turn to face, or just no. I'm going to choose run. Since this is called CT run, I'm going to do it run. Under flags, I'm going to tick leave corpse, no interruptions, and no script movement. Now create a new entity. In its class, make it a scripted sentence. Its name will be CT talk. Its target will be CT. We'll do its sentence name in a bit. Its speaker type will be CT, because this is the monster that we're going to use to play the sound out of. And the listener type will be who he's facing when he says it. So we can just do player for that. Its flags is going to be fire once and interrupt speech. Now we can make another entity, and this is going to be the actual monster. So we can scroll down to monster SWAT assault rifle, and for this you want to go to SmartEdit and click on it, and you'll see these options. You want to click on add and call it target name, and then under value CT. For some reason this FGD file doesn't have the name in it, so you want to create that under SmartEdit. So now you can position him wherever you want. Also, the scripted sequence will be where he goes to. So I'm going to position that here, and it doesn't matter where you put the scripted sentence. And so now, if you double click on scripted sentence, turn off SmartEdit, and go to sentence name, you need to find the sentences.txt file. That's in this folder. The Half-Life sees error sound, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find sentences. This is all of the sentences that are used in the game. So I'm just going to choose CT flash B AM 0, which is flash out. And so you just want to copy this first part, the all in caps part, copy that, go to sentence name, do an exclamation mark and paste it in. Make sure it's got an exclamation mark at the start. And now when you play your game,
Flash